Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert square root with degree in Excel. Open your Excel document, then go to the Insert tab and find this equation option. We can see this logo or equation, then click here and find this radical option. Then now we can see this radical option. Then click the drop down list or drop down menu, then we can see this root square root with degree, then click here, go to the home tab and resize your box, select root example this type, then background color and select outline or no outline as your wish. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.